What it do, YouTube? It's your boy TJ, and I'm back again with another banger, okay? Today it's about to go down. Today I got another MGK reaction. Now I know y'all been wondering, where the hell have y'all been, man? Y'all niggas ain't been uploading a couple of days. Look, a lot of stuff been going on. We've been meaning to get to it. We about to take a trip to Florida. So we're gonna be down there vlogging for a new channel, TJ and Crystal. TJ and Crystal, make sure y'all check that channel out. It's down in the description down below, all right? So it's early in the morning. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. It's been a while since I did 11 o'clock or early morning reaction. Usually it's late night. So today is that day, you did. So I'm ready to jump into this. This is Doe Boy and Machine Gun Kelly Gang, all right? This is subscriber request. Salute to the subscriber. Let me go ahead and call him out, man. Alright, where you at? Yeah. Alright. Salute to Casey Nash. Casey Nash. Alright, I'm ready to jump into this. So let go.
Oh, fuck niggas exit the building. Right now.
Let's go.
Gang in the building. Gang.
Let's go.
Tell my partner you don't never want no problems with my gang. Yeah, bitch, you know I'm out your wallet with my gang. Don't make me pull up on your partners with my gang. You don't never gotta ask, you know I be that, we that.
Oh no, man, MGK looking really official right about now, man. Straight up, a real gangsta-fied MG Kizzle.
Pull up on 100 feet. You not touching me. 10 chains on my neck. Then I dare you try to reach. You must thought this shit was sweet. Pussy boy, you about to see. Got them choppers outside. We gon' take your life, boy. I ain't tryna throw no hands. You see all this ice, boy?
I ain't trying to throw no hands. You see all this ice, boy. Nigga, we shooting niggas. Fuck throwing hands, nigga. Knock this off? Hell nah. It costs more to fist this than to knock a nigga out. Fuck that. Let's go.
To the party, no, we do not fight, boy. Put them shooters on your ass. I done touch my bike, boy. Yeah, they had me down the road. Whole city screaming free. Let me out of jail, cause they know the streets me. Rubber band, money gang, don't play up, ain't no bees. While I'm with the gang, stuff a nigga in these Yeezys.
While I'm with the gang, stuff a nigga in them Yeezys. Now, though Yeezys be looking flimsy as fuck, man. You stuff a nigga in that, you gonna feel it through your feet. You know what I'm saying? You gonna feel that shit at the bottom of your foot. It's like stuffing a nigga with socks on.
Yeah, bitch, you know I'm out your wallet with my gang. Don't make me pull up on your partners with my gang. You don't never gotta ask, you know I be that, we that.
Alright, now first dude I wanna give, I give him like a 9.2. He was straight. MGK about to go on here. Let's see what MGK got, all right? Now, the vibe to the whole song is like a 9.3. The beat is like a 9. First guy got a 9.2. Let's see what MGK.
Gang, get this bitch, gang, get this bitch.
Okay.
Gang, get this bitch, gang, get this bitch, nigga. Gang, get this bitch,
Ugh.
gang, get this bitch, nigga. Gang, get this bitch, gang, get this bitch, nigga. Hey,
Don't be trying to talk, I ain't trying to talk. I be with that scrapping in the yard. Get that fucking chalk, get your bitch. Hefe, what they call me. I'm just 26. See what happens in the club. Your DJ doesn't play my shit.
You see what happens in the club where the DJ don't play my shit?
Bitch, I'm turned up off the hand. I be burning with my gang like I just got about the pan. Never sober, I be smoked as soon as I get out the bed. Cause I ain't never felt the same since they put pistols to my head.
Damn.
Make some room. What the fuck they gon' do? Tie that flag around my forehead. I'm EST to my tool. This that gang, that double X. Now I represent no rules. Homie, what? Tell your partner you don't never want no problems with my gang. Yeah, bitch, you know I'm out your wallet with my gang. Don't make me pull up on your partners with my gang.
I gotta say this, MGK verse, I give him a 9.4 on his shit. Straight up.
Gang. know I be that, we that.
Hey, straight up. Like I said, guys, MGK got 9.4. Your boy Dope B got 9.2. Vibe on here was like a 9.3. The beat was like a 9. Overall, I gotta give this a 9.1. Overall, you did. That was my reaction to the video. You go ahead and comment your reaction down below on what you give this video between 1 and 10. Put a fire emoji if it was hot. Put a trash emoji if it was not, but definitely comment down below. Also, if y'all want another MGK reaction, make sure that this video get 30 likes. If it get 30 likes, man, I'm gonna give you another MGK reaction. And I ain't gonna make you wait for it. But this video has to get 30 likes though. Only way it's gonna get 30 likes. Fuck. Look at that. Only way it's gonna get 30 likes is if you like, comment, subscribe, and share on social network. That's the only way, bro. That's all I got for the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it, but I'm gone.